Still, it's going to be in a box because it's easier to contain. Damn. Just barely.
Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. Today is a little documentation on a desert gathering that we normally go to under the full moon. This is their 30th year doing it, and it was an honor to be a part of this special tribe. We go out to different places, and this specific location that we got this time was truly a blessing. We were able to see, in the beginning of June, snow on the mountains, cold glacier water naturally running down from those said mountains that came through a stream by this campsite. But first, some burgers, and let me tell you, these were some of the most expensive burgers we've ever paid for, being out in the middle of nowhere.
Starry! Okay. And then this one.
After admiring some of the photography of the landscapes in here, it was time to head out and get back on the road while we surrounded ourselves by the actual scenery. Seeing mountains was a breath of fresh air, especially with greenery and some snow caps. And then we saw this billboard that had this sign, but it was too fast for me to capture it, but I found it online anyway. So it has a really great message here. And then we also passed by this lemon inn, which was super cute and reminded me of SpongeBob, but you know, was also too quick to film it. So here's a photo of it. Speaking of pineapples, you'll see this Jeep later on that has a bunch of fruits, and I was like, what kind of marketplace is this? And it was just someone's fruit for the weekend, and I think they were going to share it with people around them. As we turned the corner towards our final destination, I was surprised at how many people had already arrived within like the 3 hours that we received directions. Well, actually it was 6 hours because it took us 3 hours and a half to get there. But yeah, we found a cozy spot with some shade and decided to set up camp.
Heavy duty. Really frozen water from the mountain. Oh God. Whew. Oh my God, it's cold. You wake up and you hear the river. Fire hood. Oh, cute. Very cute, very cute. More decor.
Speakers were done by a local sound engineer, and he did a combination of function ones and some Danleys, which were quite the festival quality. I mean, just freaking look at this. This is unreal. At first I didn't want to go because it was far, but it isn't as far as some other locations, and some people even came from Oregon and Washington. Literally drove down here in their RVs just for this weekend. But I'm so glad that I did, because it was such a special few days and really inspired me to be a kinder person and to really dive deeper into my art.
Welcome to the spot. This is the spot.
The sit spots.
This is the spot.
Oh, the sitting spots.
All the spots.
Nature's natural bench.
No, 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 no. We got some, what is that, disc golf? At Medical Market. Ah, I love it.
car, you know. So
Or wait, here, add the bubbles, add the bubbles. Yay! Fruit and bubbles. And doggo. Eddie. Colors.
Some people were super creative with all the decor that they brought, and I totally forgot, but I brought one piece of jewelry that had crystals on it to charge under the full moon. Some people made altars, which you will see later.
Where are we going?
Vans had art on them and messages that you could read that were super pertinent to life. No Drama Llama Lounge, as you guys know from our EDC trip recap last month.
I thought we kept that as emergency service.
No, that's for camping.
Look at it. Angelic.
Or here, I'll do footage. Or how long ago did you make it?
11 years ago.
Wow. And it still holds up.
Well, I had to tighten it up a few times.
Okay. That's incredible. Gorgeous. Do you do other things too? No, it's just for your
I don't know. This was the first attempt that I made on this.
What's your name?
Lenny.
Lenny, nice to meet you. Yeah, we got some beefy stroganoffs, right? Is that what we're having?
Yeah, we got the beefy stroganoff.
The savory stroganoffs. Gotta cook. And then we got some vinos that was on sale with the screw tops. And plastic cups. Always put your trash for carry in, carry out, guys. How does it taste it? Oh, you got some in your beard.
Pack it in, pack it out.
Leave no trace. Punk rock and how it's art, it's fashion, it's a movement. And I'm saying like he was saying like kicking over a trash can. Yeah, because we have to take our trash out every week.
The trash can, kicking over the trash can is punk rock. It's the message of why you're kicking over the trash can. 'Cause
But also-
anyone can kick over a trash can, but why are you doing it? It's like, but this trash can represents something. This trash can is something in your way that prohibits you from being your true self. Then you kick it over, and that's punk rock.
But it could also be, I mean, maybe I'm reading too deep into this. It's like you are assigned a specific day that you have to leave your trash out, and everybody has to conform to that. And this is saying fuck you to the conforming of like society, you
It's
know.
not the act, it's the message. It's not what you do, it's why you do it.
But it is about the act too.
Well, the act is just representation of your
It's the
frustration
intention.
with the system.
It's the execution of the intention.
If the system is flawed, your action towards the system represents what you believe, but it doesn't necessarily. It's not just like randomly going out and doing something for no reason is just
Right.
meaningless,
Right.
pointless. You have to have a
I
message.
think we're all on the same page.
Yeah.
Okay, also, the guy, Lenny, who created that Voss water bottle thing, the backstory is really incredible. So, he was in prison for 5 years. Oh, and he went to prison for anger issues. And he shared this with me because I asked him what the symbolism was and if there was any. And he was saying how that he found a book in there that talked about charging your water under sun or moonlight and then drinking that afterwards. And so every day he would leave a cup out on a windowsill and let it charge and then go ahead and drink it. And after getting out, he started doing that with Budweiser. But then obviously that's not good because, you know, alcoholism. And then he decided to become sober. And so he made that water bottle. And every day it's a ritual. He'll charge it. Every time he drinks from it, he thanks God for, you know, purifying himself.
Was it plaid?
It is flat.
Wonderful.
I'm covered in porta potty.
I don't.
And then every time he urinates, that's him, like, he prays again and, you know, thanks God for releasing all of that negative. So whatever works for you, but it's a gorgeous piece of art, and that's the only one. It's one of a kind. It's outside our tent. Woohoo. Look, it's like nature or something. Yo, check out the full moon though. You can't, that's like the only thing you can see in my phone. Look at this. Look at this.
Should we went that way?
Oh. Ooh, mine was prettier. But somebody's in there right now. Aim.
But then we figured, this
look
is gonna
at
end
it.
in there. Yeah, help yourself. There's like some tweezers in there too.
Nice.
Oh my god. Okay, the nail clippers is like
Really?
what I need,
Brand
dude.
new. You need it?
No, but like,
Yeah.
cause my fingernails
sensitive.
always like they break out here. You know what I mean?
We got some tampons, you know, just don't flip.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're okay.
Thank you. Ah! Bruh.
My God, it's the most part.
It's so good.
There's a light on the door.
Somebody's gonna get it stuck in a cable.
Oh wait, there. I wanted to show the outside too.
Definitely not me.
Oh damn, you can't see it. Oh well, there's a gate. Don't drop this in the river. Oh, this is better. Hey, look, it won't clothesline you.
That's awesome. Somebody else must have had the same problem.
Yeah.
We stayed up all night and then headed into the car for an hour to listen to music with surround sound as the sun was rising.
Are able to keep your hands so damn steady.
We need more white.
We're white. I know. Damn, look at those the shinies. Damn, Bala. Hey. Is you fancy? But what if your sexual preference is often though? Like his short tip. It's like a little puppy.
I definitely
Right? Exactly.
not all in this.
What cavemen used to do.
That's crazy.
Oh shit.
That's gonna make a new house. Maybe, yeah.
They're working on the yellow line.
These poor bees, they live for 3 weeks. They only rest like 12 hours out of those 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here laughing.
No, we're laughing at our own existence, man.
We waited in line for 45 minutes under the sun to get some merch from DJ De La Moon, and after 2 hours, she sold out. Our feet hurt so much, though, from the sun that we had to go into the stream and cool off for a little bit.
Dude, how sick would it be if I brought this, though, to the dance floor tonight? People would go out of their freaking minds. So saw some other dude with a matching shirt like mine. Like, exactly. And then we met Evie, or with the chickens that, like, squeak and have like a mustache on them when ice melts or whatever.
Chill.
I know, I think she took the one that has the the mustache. God, it's got a crown and everything. I only saw the back part of it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I only.
It's amazing. A little bundle of fun.
That was the last of the filming, as I just really wanted to immerse myself in the experience. The Pop Rocks were a hit, and I just brought people's childhood back, which was really fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can find out more about how we like to party in the middle of the desert. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I post new content out. Follow me on my socials, linked in the description box below. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.